I've been thinking a lot about what it means to truly have it all: looks, brains, money, and confidence. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that external things are the only markers of success, but I know deep down that the most important thing I can have is myself. The truth is, life is unpredictable. Things can change in an instant. People can come and go, circumstances can shift, and possessions can be lost. But I want to be someone who, no matter what happens, still has the strength to stand tall because I have myself, my worth, and everything I need within me. First, there's the looks. People say looks don't matter, but let's be real. They do. They affect how I feel about myself, how others perceive me, and they can be a source of confidence when I need it. But I know that looks alone aren't enough. They're just a part of the whole package. I want to take care of myself, eat well, work out, and nurture the parts of me that make me feel good about how I show up in the world. Because I want to feel strong, healthy, and attractive, not just for anyone else, but for myself. That way, no matter what happens, I can walk into any room and feel secure in my own skin. Then there's the brain. I've always prided myself on being someone who values knowledge. I've spent years developing my skills, learning new things, and building a strong mindset. This is my foundation, and it's something no one can take from me. I know that as long as I have my mind sharp and focused, I can create new opportunities, learn from mistakes, and find my way back even if I lose everything else. Money is often seen as the ultimate measure of success, but I know it's not everything. It's important to have financial independence, but it doesn't define me. What matters more is the mindset I cultivate around money. I want to be smart about my finances, to build and save in a way that gives me security. But even more than that, I want to be someone who understands that money comes and goes, but the ability to create wealth and opportunities, that's what I want to keep. If I lose it all, I know I have the tools and the resilience to rebuild it, step by step. And in the meantime, I will learn to value the things money can't buy. But the most important piece of all? Confidence. Confidence is the glue that holds everything together. It's what allows me to move through the world without second-guessing myself. It's what enables me to chase after dreams, even when they seem impossible. It's what lets me hold my head high when the world tries to knock me down. Confidence doesn't come from having everything in place, it comes from trusting in my own worth and my ability to navigate whatever life throws my way. Today, I commit to building all of these things. Not for anyone else, not for validation, but for me. Because in the end, no matter what happens, I will always have the one thing that matters most: myself.